Alright, Custom Gang, what up, man? It's your boy Rollo Custom himself, back with another video, man. I got the guy out there putting the glass in the MC. Yes, sir. I'm back on the MC, man. Getting the glass finally installed, the front glass, anyway. So, I'm going to take you out to the window, let us see. I don't know if dude want me out there recording, man. You know, some people get funny with these cameras in front of them. So, let me take you out to the back window so I can show y'all what's going on. Stay with me. Alright, as y'all can see, man, we got them pulled all the way up in the backyard. Getting that windshield put in that thing, man. I definitely get it set down. Guess you're beginning to get everything set up. But yeah, we're gonna check it out when he get done with it, man. Show y'all what everything look like. Yeah, and the safe light that's out there. As y'all can see. But yeah, we're gonna give him a little time to get that thing set down and then we're gonna walk out there and check it out and see what's going on. Alright, man, we got this thing in here, as y'all can see. We got the man out there leaving, bagging up. Yeah. Finally got that glass in that front windshield, baby. Looking good, ain't? Let's take a look in now. Okay. Yeah. It's been a minute, man. I know I've been saying, I said probably about 4 or probably like 10 videos ago that I was going to do this, man. But finally, went on and bit the bullet. And, well, I didn't bite the bullet. I could have been did it. It's just taking time to do it, so. Yeah, doing this little phase that we got going on, man. Decided I was going to start working on the MC a little bit more. Start cleaning up under the hood, all these wires and stuff, get them situated. Yeah, man. As y'all can see, that glass is nice. I got slapped those quarter glasses in there, but I'm thinking about re-clearing the whole car again because right now I have to wet sand and buff it, but I mean it got, you know, little fine pieces of trash in here and there, but I want to just re-clear it anyway because I've been doing a lot of paint in my shop and I got a little overspray on it, which I'm not that concerned about. I can easily get it. I can clear it off or whatever, but I just want to put 3 more coats of clear on it, man. 3 good wet coats of clear. I mean, as you can see, it's wet now. So, hey, when you going with that wet, you want as wet as you can get it, man. And that's what I'm shooting for. Yeah. Now we can stop all the dust from getting on the inside of the car, because you know, with the front windshield out, dust was getting on the inside. I just roll the windows up. I don't have to worry about dust getting on there, so I can finally vacuum and clean that up. Get up under the hood. Clean up all this stuff, man. All that. As you can see. Dusty. Clean that stuff up, man. At one point in time, I was thinking about just putting it in the storage, man. Until I really wanted to get back on it, but I think I'm going to get on it, man. Like I said, I got to do the digital dash. I got to have a digital dash, man. I got to have a digital dash. The rear end, I can't think of the name of it, but I want probably like 373s in the back, posi. And I think the whole setup is like $3,000 for the rear end. So I'm going to get that, and I got to get the interior. I got to finish up. I don't know if I want to finish it. I'm just going to, you know, take it to somebody and let them do it. Like my door panels, cover them up. I made those. But I don't know, man. And as far as like the speakers and stuff, going to finish running the wires for that. Got to buy another amp because I used the amp that I had in here on another car, another build that I did. So, yeah. But other than that, man, she's coming back alive, man. Yeah. Yeah, this is just gonna be a little short video, man. Nothing too long. Yeah, I wasn't gonna hold y'all for that long. But woo. It's bad when that thing shine And it got dust all on. Look at that dust on it, man. But look at that shine. God. Ooh, wee. Yeah. Just like that, man. It's your boy, Mr. Rollo Custom, man. And we out. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to the channel so y'all can see more stuff. More work on this build right here, man. I know I'll be putting a lot of stuff in front of this car because I wasn't planning on selling it. So, therefore, you know, I was just going to take my time with it. Yeah, I could have been done with this car. I've been working on this car for, what, 3 years now, man. It's I done dragged it out. I think I done dragged it out long enough, man. Yeah, I done dragged it out long enough, man. But these kind of things cost money. And on top of that, I got a family, man. Got 3 kids. Hey, man, you know, it's trying to juggle all that in between is rough, man. But I ain't gonna hold y'all too long, man. Like I said, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. And we gone. Pew!